90 seconds of brightness. Here we go. We start with your middle finger on your third eye, in between your eyebrows, other middle finger in your belly button and up. And we breathe 3 times, and I'll explain you after. Just do it with me. Breathe into your nose, through your mouth, out through your mouth. And you can do it as much as you want. After 2 minutes and more, you actually activate the radiant circuits, which are extraordinary vessels in Chinese medicine. They help you to wire up your entire health system, to make your body feel joyful. And when you're joyful, what's happening? You feel so well. It's almost like you forget the pain you may have in your daily life. Activating these 2 points, it's called the hookup. They help you to center. They help you to focus. They help others as well, because if you ask permission to touch somebody, to help them, to assist them when they receive a bad news or when they're under shock, this is if you don't know what else to do, this is the simplest yet the most powerful thing you can do for them, because sometimes they cannot hear your words. They're not in that state of reception. All you can do is to either invite them to hold it like that, or you do it for them with their permission, of course. Kids, it's amazing when they're in a tantrum or when they can't focus anymore, they're doing their homework and they can't focus. Just tell them, hook up, hook up. When you need yourself to come back to your place, hook up. It feels amazing. It's so simple, right? But it feels amazing just to know that you have the power to recenter, to focus, and bringing the breath in. Use your ventral area, not your chest area, and breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Just doing that is the best self-care you can do to yourself or on others. Enjoy, experiment it, experience it, and let me know what you think. Bye.